My name is Prajwal and our report topic is hexapod robots. So moving further towards the introduction, a hexapod robot is a mechanical device or vehicle that walks on 6 legs. That means it is multi-legged robot with respect to wheeled ones for walking over rough terrain because they don't need any continuous contact with ground. In nature, most arthropods have 6 legs to easily maintain the static stability, and it has been observed that larger number of legs does not increase the walking speed. But hexapod robot has ruled it out because it can walk fast. So this makes this hexapod robot an attracted considerable attention in recent decades. Gait is a key element for multi-leg robot. That is, gait means the manner of walking, and it is also dependent on design of bodies and legs. Hexapod gaits have been widely investigated as function of shape and characteristics of the robot structure. Moving towards the further side, that is history. So first of all, this was specialized by V.E. Eric Goff of UK and was operated in 1954. Later, this design was published in 1965 by Stewart to the UK Institution of Mechanical Engineering. In 1962, prior to the publication of the Stewart paper, American engineer Klaus Kappel independently developed the same hexapod robot. Klaus patented this design and licensed it to the first flight simulator companies and built the first commercial octahedral hexapod simulators.
Hello everyone, I am Runal Methe, roll number 33 from Division B. I am going to explain here biological inspiration of hexapod robots. The biological inspiration of hexapod robots is based on insects, as the insects deal with the obstacles in their way by generating neutral control and biomechanical work of insects. They coordinate and work necessary obstacle negotiations. The second point of biological inspiration is discovered by Harley from 2009 to 2011. We can find the spatial parameters and obstacles with the help of the various mecha sensors. These parameters plays important role in insects to deal with the obstacles negotiations. Indicator helps for insects to when to initiate climbing. Similarly, the indicators plays important role in hexapod robots to deal with the obstacle negotiations and for the when to initiate climbing. In general, the biological system are able to adapt learning. It allows organisms to alert their behavior in order to succeed in unpredictable environment. The next point of hexapod robots is design. The design of hexapod robots. The design of hexapod robots is inspired from spider. Normally, spider have 8 legs, but to make it less complicated, 6 legs have been used, and for aesthetic purpose. The design is done by software SolidWorks 2014. The material used in hexapod robots is acrylic sheets instead of metals, since metals would have increased the self weight and also the cost factor. Acrylic sheets are lightweight, hard and glass, by which is the perfect camouflage in different surrounding if used for defense purpose. And the use of glass type material would add to the future scope of being.
Thank you, Ronald. Now let's start with the methodology and working. Methodology is simple. 6 legs or hands, or we can say 6 supports, are used to maneuver the robot. It is called the principle of passive spine-legged walking. Working of the robot involves many things such as mechanism, programming, and electronic aspects. Output of all these things is the locomotion. Hexapod robot can move in any direction and climb up to 5 times its height. Locomotion. For its locomotion in all direction and rotation in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, various gates are used. The first gate is in which we have to number the legs from 1 to 6. 1, 3, 5 are form the odd group pair, and 2, 4, 6 form even. So while handling it remotely, for moving itself, the robot uses one group for stepping front and the other group for maintaining the balance, just like we do while walking. Next gate is tripod continuous gate, which uses large freedom for increasing the speed while walking, and contrary stability decreases. There are also many gates such as wave gate, insect gate, and two-legged gate. And here are the applications of the hexapod robots. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sriyesh Benke and roll number is B04. I am talking about some examples of hexapod robots. So the first one is Lauren. Lauren is a six-legged walking robot. It is developed at the Forschungstrom Informatik Karls in Germany. The mechanics and the movements of robot are biologically inspired. It is inspired by the mimicking the stick insect Carassius morosus. The development of the Lauren walking robot started with the basic research in the field of six-legged locomotion in the early 1990s. It is the first robot called as Lauren. So the next example is Rex. Rex is an autonomous robot design based on hexapod with a compliant legs and one actuator per leg. A number of US universities have participated with funding grants also coming from DARPA. Versions have shown good mobility over a wide range of terrain types at a speed exceeding 5 body length per second, that is 2.7 meter per second, climb slopes exceeding 45 degrees, swims and climb stairs. So the next example is Vex. Vex means wheel legs or wing legs are a mechanism for robot locomotion. Vex use a strategy of locomotion that combines the simplicity of the wheels with the obstacle clearing advantages of foot. Vex were invented at the biological inspired robotics laboratory at Case Western Reserve University. Vex development and improvements based on cockroach climbing behavior. Thank you.